How to fix Snap Recap not loading on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of Snapchat Recap not loading on Snapchat. So if your Snapchat Recap isn't appearing, here are some steps you can take to resolve it. First of all, you have to check for updates for the Snapchat application. For that, you can go to Play Store, click on the search bar, and then type in Snapchat. Once you find the application, and if you see an update button instead of open that is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version available. After that, come back, and if the recap isn't still loading, you can try clearing the app data. So go to settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, again search for Snapchat application, scroll down and go to storage, click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But clearing the data will also delete all the files, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Now come back, and if the recap isn't still working, reinstall it by downloading it again from the Play Store or App Store. For that, you have to uninstall the application first, click on uninstall and then click on OK. And again go to Play Store, search for Snapchat and install it from here. Another reason the recap might not be loading is due to your internet connection. You can try toggling airplane mode on and off from your control section to refresh your connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection for the recap to load properly. Try these solutions and hopefully one of them will work for you. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.